Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. In this video we're finishing off the high mileage Mark II MR2 project. I just want to finish this one off so I can move on to some other projects and make some more GTI videos because I know you guys do like them. So to finish this car off, it literally needs four things. The first of them is the exhaust changed because it's crazy loud. It's an ASBO exhaust and I'm not even sure if it'll pass the MOT, so I'm going to put the stock one back on just for now. Car will be a bit nicer to daily drive, so we'll go ahead and do that. So you can see how loud it is just for like daily driving, just starting at junctions and stuff like that. It's just really loud. How high are you revving? And that's how loud it is. Do it again. Yeah. So guys, that's like up to 3k RPM and that's how loud it is. Alright, we're going to take that exhaust off. We've got the stock one here from J-Spec that's going on. It's got that extra resonator, it's a bit bigger and the tips are slightly different, but hopefully the car's sounds a bit better and it'll sound better daily driving as well. So we're just going to get that one off of the car right now and get this on. That's it there, the two bolts that hold this on. So that should hold the exhaust on. Now we'll take off the two hangers. That's the exhaust off. We'll put it next to the original one that I've just got from J-Spec and we'll see how they compare. We just came up with a horrible idea, which is to start the car without any exhaust on. It's going to be insanely loud because with that it was loud. I'm not looking forward to this, to say the least. Oh god, I had to walk away. Let's never do that again. Okay, now the exhaust has been changed. The next thing that I need to do is put a new rear right caliper on the car because the other one was sticking, the handbrake wasn't working that well, so I need to swap that over just now. First thing I'm going to do is take off the handbrake cable. So you can see that's connected there, there's a pin to take off there. That's that pin out, so that's the pin right there, so hopefully that should just knock out easy. Came off nice and easy, and then this just slides off like that. Coming around to the front now, take this bolt off here, which holds the handbrake cable bracket on, so take that off and then the handbrake cable will be free from the caliper. All that will happen is this will bolt onto the new caliper, then the pin will go through there and that will go onto the new caliper as well. Next step is to take off this 12mm bolt there. That's that there, as you can see. And the whole caliper should kind of lift off and then slide out, so we'll do that just now as well. Let me get the spanner. Just put this here. I'm just going to rest the caliper there because I'm going to change my rear disc as well at the same time. If you're just replacing your caliper, you just swap over the brake fluid line there and then reverse all the steps. To change the disc, there's just two 17mm bolts there on the carrier, one there, and then one underneath. Right there. So I'm going to take off the 217s just now, take this off, and then put the new brake disc on. Yeah. After a lot of hardship and struggle, the carrier is off. Oof. Let's put the new disc on. Here we go. And get the caliper, which is here. And in this bolt here, put the handbrake cable bracket on just now. New caliper coming on. Slides in that. Okay, so I ended up taking this bracket off just so it'd be easier to get the pads in. Pads are in, caliper's on, get this bracket back on. That's the next step, and then there's also the bolt that goes through here that holds the caliper in, and then we're ready to bleed the system. Got the 7mm spanner, we're ready to bleed. I've just put the easy bleeder on, connected it up, bit of brake grease to seal it up, and we should be good to go. George is at the front. Down. Alright, back up. Drop the spanner. Down. Oh, it's starting to come now. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Third thing the car needs is its original intake system put back on. One of the previous owners had put a cone filter in there. I've got nothing wrong with the cone filter, but there was one of these hoses that was just sucking in unfiltered air and the engine wasn't really running that good, so I thought, let me just put the original system on. I'll run that for a while and I can always go back to a cone filter, but do it properly this time. And I thought it would be interesting to see, because I know one of the tubes sucks cold air straight from the vent, so maybe the engine will run that bit better, but I thought I'll just install that now and see how the car runs. Okay, so the first piece of the puzzle, this right here, and where this fits is, you can imagine it fitting in and then this tube going all the way down into the vent so that you can get the cold air straight in. So there's a bolt up there, one there, and one there. That's it fitted in, we just need to put the fastenings. So as you can see, the next piece of the intake will clip into here, which we'll do in a second. Go now round to the vent on this side. You can see that tube literally right there. Let me turn this up. That's the tube, I can touch it, that's the tube. So that's really good. Cold air, like that, straight in. The next piece of the puzzle is this here. So this will connect, that bit there will connect to that, and then we'll put the air filter in here. So I'll just get this on very quickly just now. Last piece of the puzzle, put this in. Got a fresh Toyota air filter. Throw that in as well. That's on there. So the last piece, get this in. That's the full stock system on, everything connected, got these kind of resonators, got the air filter in there, and it now feeds into the vent, so we can get nice cool air straight in through that. Here we go, we'll give it a start. It should be quieter now, but we'll just see. We'll see what it sounds like. And the final thing that needs doing, I think in one of the previous videos I had all the welding done, so the sills need sprayed. So I just bought some cans online and sprayed the sills myself. The car is pretty rough, so I'm not going to go and get a professional job done. And the sills are quite low down, so you know the paintwork's rough, the car's a bit rough, so it's alright just giving them a spray myself. And with all that stuff done, the car's ready for its MOT. So in the next video, or the next video will be probably titled, my Mark II MR2 fails its MOT. Hopefully not, but maybe. So that's that done. I'll send it off for its MOT. If you enjoyed that video, hit the subscribe button. I'll get the MOT video out and I'll get a drive video, and then we'll move on to the next project. Since you stayed till the end of the video, I'll let you know what the next project is going to be. It's going to have a 2GR FE 320 horsepower V6, and that's as much as I'll tell you for now. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.